What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to prove this trig identity. We have sine to the power of 4 theta minus cosine to the power of 4 theta equals to 1 minus 2 times cosine squared theta. So the first thing I need to do, I need to use difference of squares. So I have sine squared theta minus cosine squared theta times sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta. Then this part equals to 1. And in here, I have sine squared theta minus cosine squared theta. And on the right hand side, I have 1 minus 2 times cosine squared. 1 is, instead of 1, I can write sine squared plus cosine squared. We usually, whenever we see 1, it's better to convert it like that. Minus 2 cosine squared theta. I just rearrange it in this one. Cosine squared minus 2 cosine squared is negative. So it's going to be sine squared theta minus cosine squared theta, because it's minus 1. 1 minus 2 is going to be minus 1. So as you see here, this part equals to the left hand side, and that's proven. I hope you liked this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as I can. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can go to the playlist for Trig Identities and you can watch over 200 videos regarding Trig Identities.